Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to make the text vertical in Google Docs. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in Google Docs. Now to write vertical text in Google Docs, first of all we need to do is go to this insert. And over here you'll find this drawing. Click on this and to new. Now after that you land over here. Now to enter text, click on this text box. And just click and drag. Now you can write your text over here. I'll write vertical text. And over here you can see this is my text which I'm gonna make vertical. Now I can edit this text from over here, these three dots, and I can bold, make it larger. This is okay for me. Now to rotate, now to make it vertical, go to this action and over here you'll find this rotate. Now I'll go with this counterclockwise 90 degree and you can see this is our vertical text. Now to insert in workspace, just click on this save and close. And you can see this is my vertical text in Google Docs. In this way we can insert vertical text in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.